I love making handmade books. If you enjoy it as well, I think you're going to love this project from Club Scrap. It's called the Triple Panel Book. Here's a quick little tour. It has a really cool magnetic clasp here that holds it shut, and then when you open it up, you've got, yes, a triple panel. On the left, you have some trifold pages here that are kind of interactive, and they're held together with some magnets that we include in the components kit. The middle section, that's your main area for tons and tons of photos. You have both sides of all of these little pages to decorate. In this third section, you have a folio inside, a pocket with tons of additional real estate. You've got both sides, lots and lots of room for your photos and memories. And then this is held closed with a hook and loop closure. And there is that gorgeous book. The neat part is that you can take the components that make the book and combine them with absolutely any Club Scrap page kit. You'll end up with a completely different look, but in the process of making them, you'll perfect the art of creating the structure. The components include 3 sheets of our heavy-duty folding board, that's the substrate, 2 sets of magnetic closures, the magnetic clasp, as well as the hook and loop closure, and a detailed copy of the instructions that also include a video workshop. I'll walk you through the creation of that project step by step, cut by cut, score by score. It's going to be such a fun ride. So grab that components kit, your favorite Club Scrap page kit, and I look forward to seeing you in the Triple Panel Book Workshop. I'll meet you there.